Good morning, good learning everyone! This is your Kuya Francis and I'm your Kuya Broker. So here are the common terms sa pagbili ng property like lupa, bahay, condo, or townhouse. Number 1, full cash term. So yung buong amount, babayaran nyo ng buo in full cash term or manager's check. Second, loan financing. Magbabayad tayo ng reservation fee, 2 to 4 weeks after, magbabayad na tayo ng down payment. Then the remaining balance will be paid through bank loan or loan financing terms. If may deficit amount, you need to pay additional down payment or equity before signing the deed of sale. Number 3, deferred cash or installment. Sa term na to, nag-agree kayo ng seller na installment ang pagbabayad ng property. Then pag fully paid na po, that's the time na magsasign po kayo ng deed of sale at sisimula na ang title transfer. Number 4, in-house financing. For this term, iba-iba po ang situation. Meron times na si seller ang may problem kaya hindi pwede i-bank financing. Or usually, si buyer po ang may problem at hindi qualified for bank loan. Siguro po kahit magandang income, some of the incomes are not documented. Or may mga inaayos na problem sa dati nilang hindi nabayaran na loans or credit card. Kung nakatulong po ang video na to, please type yes sa comment section below. So kung may questions pa po sila, just PM lang po sa comment section. Para safe po ang ating transactions, please continue to watch my videos. Paki-like, follow, and share na po ang aming mga social media platforms. Again, this is your Kuya Broker. God bless po sa inyong lahat.